Good morning, my little kids. How are you? Okay, today we are going to start our next unit, that's unit number 9, Heat and Light. So, all of you take out page number 60, mention day on page number 60, then we start reading. Okay, done? Okay, all of you know that we start a lecture with a warm up song or video. So, first, I will play one video. So, all of you enjoy this video. After that, we will come back and start reading.
Heating and cooling causes changes we can see. Sometimes these changes are reversible. So sometimes they can be changed back, and other times they cannot. Yeah! Heating is when you make something warmer. Cooling is when you make something colder. Heating or cooling causes changes we can see. Sometimes these changes are reversible. So sometimes they can be changed back, and other times they cannot. Freezing is changing from a liquid to a solid. Melting is changing from a solid to a liquid. Heating is when you make something warmer. Cooling is when you make something colder.
Okay, first, we will gonna read this paragraph. All of you put your fingers. Heat is a form of energy. It is produced when molecules start moving. The faster the molecules move, the hotter the object gets. When molecules start slowing down, the matter that the molecules are in gets cooler. Now look at this diagram. Low movement, low temperature, high movement, temperature. With the help of diagram, I will explain you this whole paragraph and this diagram as well. You all know that heat is a form of energy and it is produced when molecules inside the matter start moving faster. So we just take an example. All of you rub your hands. Look at this picture. जिस तरीके से ये hand rub, all of you rub your hands. Your hands start getting warmer, making the molecule inside your hand move faster. This movement of molecules make them collide with each other, and this collision result in heat generation. मीन्स आप अपने हाथों को ज़ोर ज़ोर से रब करें और जो फास्ट मूवमेंट आपके रबिंग जब आप हैंड रब करते हो जो फास्ट मूवमेंट होती है उससे हीट प्रोड्यूस होना हाथ आहिस्ता आहिस्ता गर्म होने लगते हैं. सो ट्राई दिस. ओके देन एंड यू कैन फील योर हैंड वार्मर. ऑल ऑफ यू फील योर हैंड वार्मर. सबको अपने हाथ गर्म महसूस हो रहे हैं. ज़ोर करें और फिर फील करें क्या आपके हाथ गर्म हो रहे हैं. येस और नो. देन फीडबैक येस और नो. कमेंट write yes or no in a comment section. Okay, the faster you rub your hands, the more your hands get warmer. This means the faster the molecule move, the hotter the objects get. Means जितना जोर से आप रब करेंगे उदी जो है जितने जोर से मॉलिक्यूल्स रब होंगे उतनी ज़्यादा हीट प्रोड्यूस होगी. आप सबने ये ट्राई करना है और फिर मुझे फीडबैक भी देना है. Okay, in contrast, when you stop or slow down your hands rubbing, You can feel your hands getting less warmer or cold because when you stop or slow down movement, the molecules inside the matter also slow down their movement. पहले आप ज़ोर ज़ोर से हैंड रब कर रहे थे तो हाथ तेज़ी से मॉलिक्यूल मूव हो रहे थे और हाथ वार्म हो रहे थे, बट जब आपने हाथों की मूवमेंट स्लो डाउन कर दी, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता रब करना शुरू किया या उसे स्टॉप कर दिया, रब करना स्टॉप कर दिया, तो आपके हाथों की जो वार्मनेस थी वो खत्म हो रही थी और वापस हाथ ठंडे होना शुरू हो गए. ऐसे ही हुआ. एज अ रिजल्ट देयर इज नो कोलिजन ऑफ मॉलिक्यूल, नो हीट जनरेशन. मॉलिक्यूल्स कोलिजन नहीं हुई तो कोई हीट जनरेशन भी नहीं होगी. Okay? And the matter or now what you have get from all this example, slow movement means low temperature, high or fast movement means high temperature. Look at this diagram. Low movement is equals to temperature. ज़्यादा movement नहीं है तो temperature भी ज़्यादा नहीं है. बट हाई मूवमेंट इज इक्वल टू हाई टेम्परेचर. ज़्यादा मॉलिक्यूल्स की मूवमेंट है तो हाई टेम्परेचर. अंडरस्टैंड? एंड ऑल ऑफ यू ट्राई दिस एक्टिविटी. सबने ट्राई करनी है एंड ऑल्सो गिव मी अ फीडबैक इन अ कमेंट सेक्शन. अंडरस्टैंड? Okay, good luck and Allah Hafiz, and I will play one video for you. This video clear concept more clear. So enjoy this video, and if any question regarding this topic and regarding this activity, kindly inbox me or me. Good luck and Allah Hafiz.
Heat energy. Everyone probably knows something about heat. We often use the word to describe something that feels hot when we touch it, or to describe a hot day. To fully understand what heat is, we first have to understand something about energy. Energy has to do with the movement of the particles that make up matter. If we were to look up close at the particles of something very cold, we would see them moving very slowly. If their movement is very slow, they have less energy than the particles that make up something that is hot. For example, particles of hot water in a pot would vibrate very quickly, so they would contain lots of energy. Heat is actually a form of energy that is being transferred from a substance at a higher temperature to another substance or substances at a lower temperature. Have you ever touched a hot pot that was on a stove? What happens when you touch it? It burns your hand because the heat energy is transferring from the hot pot to your hand. Your hand had a different temperature than the hot pot. Your hand was much cooler than the hot pot. Heat energy always travels from a hotter substance to the colder substance. In this case, it travels from the pot to your hand. Think about what happens to a mug of coffee when you pour hot coffee into it. The mug felt cool at first, but then felt hotter as you poured the hot coffee into it. The hot coffee transferred its heat energy to the mug, which was cooler. Heat is not the same as temperature.